Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm the Natural One. In this video, this is week 1, I believe. And so far, the cauliflower was the only one that had sprouts. On the other end was the cucumbers. And I did kind of look at the seed and I can tell that it's starting to sprout, but it didn't like fully go away from the seed or whatever. So it's still growing. And so far, I have about 5 sprouts of cauliflower. So looks like we're gonna be eating cauliflower. Now, as far as the seeds that I planted in the egg carton, unfortunately, yeah, they didn't sprout anything yet, and I'm thinking it's because of the type of dirt. But I used the in-ground dirt instead of the seed starting soil. That I'm thinking this played the effect. And also too, I think my mistake was that I missed it. I didn't give it a good watering when I initially planted it. So I think if I would have watered it, I would have had better success. But it's watered now, I can tell you that. So I'm gonna give it another week and hopefully my seeds didn't die. So this is it, and thank you guys for watching and stay tuned.